One of the first types of variation within interfacing is woven versus non-woven. And woven is just that. It's a woven fabric that might be similar in texture to a muslin, and you can actually see the weave in it just like you would in any kind of plain woven cotton fabric. And then there's non-woven, which is something like this. And it's not woven, it's a manufactured product. And you can sometimes see a sort of fiber in it, and it might even look a little bit like a fibrous paper, but essentially it's not woven, and you can really, by looking at it, see that you can't see a woven texture in it. So that's two really important categories to look for right off the bat. And basically the difference between them is that a woven interfacing really will act more like a fabric. It feels like a fabric, it drapes, it's soft and flexible. A non-woven will tend to be a little stiffer and a little more papery. And you might even be able to hear it. It has a sort of papery quality to it. And it's less flexible, but it's good for when you want something stiff. You may be making an element on your bag or in any project that you really want to be a really stiff, firm texture, and that's what this is great for.